Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to see two recipes. One for stuffed pathiri or stuffed roti and another one for Paruppu Vadai. So keep watching. I made these for iftar a couple of days ago. I'm starting up with the agar or kadalpasi first so that it will set in time. I generally don't add any food colors or fruits to my agar. Milk or occasionally coconut milk with raw sugar will be the constant. Now I'm not showing the agar recipe in detail because I've already explained in my previous vlog. I've linked that in the description box below. For the Paruppu Vadai, I've soaked channa dal for 6 hours. Chopping up 3 green chillies, half an inch of ginger and 1 onion. Now add in the soaked dal. After grinding it coarsely, add in half teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of whole fennel seeds and half teaspoon of salt. I'm also crushing some dried curry leaves in. You can add fresh ones for better flavor. Now make lemon-sized balls of your vada batter. Press it between your palms and shape it this way. You can fry it in medium hot oil. After frying them for about 5 minutes, remove them out. Keep the heat on high when you remove it out. That gives you the crispy exterior, the perfect Paruppu Vadai. Now let's see the recipe for stuffed pathiri. I'm not using chilli powder for this. I'm using green chillies and pepper for the heat. I've taken 2 onions, but I'll be adding 1 1/2 to the filling and the remaining goes into the pathiri. Taken 250 grams of boneless chicken and minced it. Heating up 1 tablespoon of ghee and a tablespoon of oil. Adding in cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Now saute the onions and green chillies with a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I've added frozen ginger garlic paste and also I'm adding a chicken cube, but that is entirely optional. Add in the minced chicken, saute it very well until it's fully cooked. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Now in go the masala powders. A teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of fennel powder and 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well. Add in about quarter cup of grated carrot and quarter cup of chopped capsicum. Just a couple of minutes on the flame. Sprinkle some garam masala powder and our filling is ready. Now let's make the outer covering of the pathiri. The ratio of rice flour is to water will be 1:1. I've taken about 1 1/2 cups of rice flour here. So adding in 1 cup and a bit more of water with the onion and a green chilli and added quarter cup of concentrated coconut milk, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and some salt. Once it boils, add in the rice flour. Mix it well with a spoon or a ladle. Now you don't have to make sure that everything is mixed up well. Just incorporate the water and the flour and keep it covered for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes until it becomes bearable to knead and make it into a nice mass. I'm sorting out the fruits within that time. Now it's been 5 minutes and it is really very hot to touch. You can use some water to cool your fingers down and to knead it better. Knead it for about 10 minutes. Then make a disc, put the filling in between, cover it with another disc and shape it like a cutlet. Now repeat that with the remaining filling and the pathiri. You can either steam these or fry them. They tasted superb both ways. I personally prefer the steamed ones. This is quite different from the traditional Erachi pathiri, but it was super tasty. I hope you guys liked today's recipes and today's video. If you did, do let me know. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe. If you have already subscribed, click on that bell icon. I hope you guys have an awesome day ahead. Take care guys. Bye. See you soon.